Again, like we think of David. David was a great king. And really, when you read the book of Psalms, they're a blessing to read. God used them mightily. And yet David sinned through taking another man's wife, and then also instigated in the death of her husband. When his sin was pointed out by the prophet, he repented of his sin. He turned from it, confessed, and forsook his sin. And once more, we will read what he said. Oh, the blessedness of the man whose iniquity is forgiven, whose sin is covered. What a blessed release when all the bondage is removed. Because when a person is being convicted, it's the most miserable life a person can live. You're not happy to be with Christians, and you're not happy to be in the world, so you're always torn between the two. The sooner you get on God's side and ask for his forgiveness, the sooner your joy and your peace you will discover.